Hello, everyone. Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. The December Magical Mystery Bead Box could not be more my love language. I'll tell you a little bit more about that later, but I decided I wanted to make a really beautiful pendant necklace. This rhinestone pendant looks beautiful layered with that ring that has a hole in it. I just think it looks like there's another layer of halo around that sun. So I attached the two with an oval jump ring and set that aside so that I could start stringing up some of the beautiful beads from the Woman in Gold mix, which is one of the mixes in this box. And this finished piece of paperclip chain really could just be the necklace, but I'm probably going to try and use that in the design. I pulled out some 11/0 and 15/0 seed beads, and then I pilfered all the other gold beads from the other mixes in this box. So I just went through and pulled them all out because I wanted some smaller ones, and I really wanted this necklace to be long. So I wanted something really dramatic that would be worthy of the Kiss and Gustav Klimt, who is the artist who did it. So I'm stringing on the smaller beads and just sort of graduating the size and adding in some of that fun texture, adding some black and some of those etched crystals. And oh, that bead is so cool. And I'm just putting seed beads in between them and creating a really fun pattern. All the different golds are just so divine. Those big beads are how I want to surround that pendant. But I want to add that chain. And I'm not sure this is going to work, but I'm adding a little cradle of seed beads and attaching the chain after I've removed one of the finished ends. And then I decide I want to tie some more sparkle that goes along with that pendant. So I grabbed those rhinestone beads out of the water serpents mix. I'm attaching the chain without cutting it and creating a little bit of a ring around, another halo around that focal. And I'm not sure, again, it's going to work, but I'm going to try. So I'm getting my beads, and I actually moved the chain over once because I really thought it would conflict too much with the pendant. So I'm stringing up the other side just like the other, and then attaching the other end of my chain. So we're going to test that out to see if it actually works. But I'm going to finish stringing, and it's going to be the same pattern as the other side. And I even thought about maybe adding something to the chain, maybe some of those dangles, but I grabbed some bead stoppers and then I went out and tested it on my mannequin, and nope, that chain does not work. So I pulled it off. And then from the clasp set, I grabbed this huge lobster claw. I used some French wire and some crimps, and I'm just crimping up a loop with the French wire at one end, and then I'm adding the lobster claw to the other side. And you just don't need a real fancy closure for this because this is such a statement piece and has so much going on. But it looks great with that large lobster. I love those, and it is really easy to get on and off. You could actually do this as an overhead necklace as well. So I absolutely love this. It's a very simple design and a simple project, but really, really fun. And you can get all of this in the December Magical Mystery Bead Box, the Kiss. And I would be remiss to say that this is absolutely my most favorite painting, the Kiss. I've got some pieces in my house which follow this video right here. I absolutely love the Kiss. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.